Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar for this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound did break to the upside, so that's a pretty good sign. Plus, every single higher time frame is still in an uptrend to me. The weekly, the monthly, the daily, and the 4 hour time frame are definitely still in uptrends. Anytime the higher time frames are in an uptrend, I'm definitely always leaning towards looking for longs. I would like to see three-way pullbacks. I mean, the market is definitely a little undecisive ever since that news, the FOMC news that came out yesterday. The pound did at least break to the upside, mostly because of the pound news that we had today, the interest rate for the pound. But yeah, when all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, I definitely am leaning towards long still. If it breaks structure to the downside, I'll definitely more than happy to start looking for shorts. But until it actually does break structure, or if it doesn't break structure, I'll just continue to look for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. So tomorrow's Friday, but this evening or Friday morning, depending on where you are, we got JPY interest rate, which they're not planning on changing interest rates. So that should be a pretty interesting news event. We got pound GDP, we got Canadian retail sales, or I'm sorry, retail sales for the pound. We got Canadian retail sales, and then we got somebody speaking from Canada, Europe, and the US tomorrow. So definitely some things to keep an eye out for. Hopefully end the week on a good high note. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.